What if I told you the solution to hair thinning and brain fog has been sitting in your kitchen this whole time? Not in a bottle, not in a pharmacy, but in this simple herb. This isn't just another home remedy. Studies have shown that rosemary can help stimulate hair follicles and improve memory and focus. But here's the problem. Most people use it completely wrong. So let me show you the exact method that's working right now. First, boil 2 cups of water. Take 3 to 4 fresh rosemary sprigs and gently crush them with your hands. This step is important because it releases the essential oils. Drop the rosemary into the boiling water and let it simmer for 15 minutes. Watch as the water turns into a deep amber color. That's when you know it's working. If your water is still pale, you did it wrong. Turn off the heat and let it sit for at least 2 hours. For maximum strength, leave it overnight. Once it cools, strain it into a clean spray bottle. Now this is where the magic happens. For hair growth, spray it directly onto your scalp every night and massage it in gently. This helps increase blood flow and activates your hair follicles. Here's something most people don't know. Even the scent of rosemary can help reduce stress and sharpen your focus. While you work or study, keep it nearby and let it do its work. Some studies compare rosemary to common hair treatments without harsh side effects. No chemicals, no expensive products. Just one plant used the right way. Try this for 7 days and come back and tell me what changed. Like this video and subscribe to TerraHerbs for more simple natural remedies. Subscribe for more TerraHerbs.